Hello students, this is Prakasham sir once again meeting you in playlist 2 under chapter 2 Power Play of new syllabus CBSE Maths class 8. In that first topic what we are going to see is paper folding method. The Power Play may be looking new, but last year you could have studied all the chapters in the different names. In that this comes in a different name. Now this paper folding we are going to do with an activity. Activity means I cannot do directly using paper and folding here. I am going to show that using PowerPoint. And you try to understand what are the methods I am explaining in that. If you are able to understand the concepts well, then you can learn laws of exponents, that is formulas, what I am going to teach next, and you can learn very easily. Are you ready? Shall we go to that PowerPoint presentation? That is displayed in blue color is a single paper, like this, one sheet of paper. Okay, now this paper is not folded, nothing being done. Okay, that means no folding, nothing. This is going to be paper folding. Just by folding the number of times you are going to observe. How many times I am going to fold, that you are going to observe. Okay, look at this paper. Now I am folding one time. Okay, suppose if I fold one time, what this will happen? This will get, you will get two parts. Okay, now I have folded this paper, and if I open, there will be two parts. In the middle, one line you can draw. I hope you can see. So in the display, I am giving that one. After one fold, there are two parts. Okay, now you can see I have drawn one line in the middle of the paper and fold. If I fold it, I'll be getting like this one, as I am showing in that. Here again that paper will become like this. One fold I folded, that becomes power 1. Two parts, one fold and two parts. Now let me go to this one. This again I am going to fold it. Like this I am going to fold it. Okay, suppose if I fold like this, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts you are going to get it. So two folds like this, one vertically, now again horizontally, you will be getting 4 parts. Now you are having 4 parts. Okay, that means in this, after folding this one, what the display is there is this one. Okay, before folding one paper, half of the sheet, that A4 sheet is folded into 2 parts. Suppose if I, after folding, that will be like this. Okay, after unfolding, it is going to have 4 parts. Now again fold it. This is the thing what we are having. Now again in this, okay, in this, that is that A4 big size is there, no, in that last corner, what you are having display in that last corner sheet only, number 1 is there, this one. Again this I am folding. After folding, again this one I am going to fold it. How many parts? Now it will become just one fold. Okay, it is now one for you. As far as considered, this is one sheet of paper. First one sheet of paper. If I fold it, inside that it became 2. Then again that if I fold it, it became 4. Now this is 4. Again I fold it, it will become 8. It doubles. Okay, that means how that will be. Look at this now. How many parts are there? Okay, look at this now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are there. Now imagine this is the folding. Last I did this folding. Okay, now This if I fold again like this one small, you have to imagine how much small it is. In that corner, what you are saying, number one, that becomes that means the whole paper becomes that size. That size I am going to fold it again. Now nothing to worry, it will be 16 parts. Okay, each one will be doubled. Everything will be doubled in this one. Here, this one is doubled here, two is doubled here, three like this one line, and here one line is there. I have to draw. That means it becomes how many? 8 will become 16. What is the conclusion now? If there is no folding, one full sheet of paper, only one folding, two parts, two folding, four parts, three foldings, 8 parts. Are you clear? Is that over? No, not over. Now, this sheet of paper you take. Now it is not folded. I am going to fold this one into 3 parts. 3 parts like this I am going to fold it. Now, very important, I'll keep inside and fold. Like this, one part is inside and I am folding. Now, it becomes 3 parts. Now, vertically, I folded into 3 parts. 3. Here, 2 lines are there, you can see. Just I'll draw the line and now look at this paper. How it is having 2 parts, 2 lines, but totally I'll move from one corner to another. 1, 2 and 3 parts are there totally. So it is 2. Now I'll make it 1. Okay, that means for one fold itself, nothing, just it is nothing. One fold, is it being folded means yes, one fold I folded. That means you may think it is 2 fold, not 2 folds. Along this one fold. Now I am going to make it, that is 3 folds now. I am going to make it only one more extra. Is it enough? No, it is for 2 to the power. We have to fold into half for 2 to the power, but for 3, what we have to do? Again this one, like this we have to fold it into 3 parts. Like this we have to fold into 3 equal parts. Now again like this. Okay, here I am going to fold it into 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts means here like this one. Now it is, now here you see, you can see this one, 1, 2 and 3 are there. Here it is, here one is inserted and another one I am folding. Now it is 3. So now how many will be there? Can you imagine how many will be there inside this one? How many boxes will be there? It will be 9. Now you see how it will be 9. Now 3 in the first fold, 3, second fold, 3, third fold, 3. Are you clear? So likewise, just it is only 2 folds. Sir, you have made two folds like that. Not like that. We are dividing the paper into 3 parts. Okay, 3 to the power 1, one time folding. 3, again 3, like making in 3. Now, if I want this one, first I like this, one fold I made. That means one time I am folding into 3 parts. Again I am folding one time into 3 parts. Again this, if I want to fold here one line, I want to fold it. Just wait. Okay. In these 2 lines I have to fold it. In these 2 lines I have to fold like this. If I fold like this in the 2, you know this folding. If I fold like this, how many you will be getting? You know, you will be surprised. 3 into 3 into 3. 27 pieces are there inside. If you cut it, you will get 27 pieces. I hope you are able to understand. So 2 to the power of 2, one time if you folding, you will get 2, 4, 8 like that. But for 3, 9, 27. Then again if I fold this one, no, like 3, that will get you 81 parts. You won't believe. That's very fantastic about the exponents chapter, that is power play. I hope you enjoyed this. Now we'll go to sums or laws of exponents, some formulas, something we are going to create. Formulas are nothing but shortcuts only. In my view, I can say shortcut. So we'll create some rules what is being defined already, and then we'll go to chapter, exercise, or any other activity that will go. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have liked it, again what I am saying is subscribe this channel and pass on the information to your friends so that I can put more videos. If you are not encouraging, I cannot put any videos at all, because no one is seeing. Then what is the use of putting the videos? For whom I have to put the videos? Like that I'll feel. So you try to watch. You are watching so many things, reels, that this and all. Instead of that one, if you watch this type of things, at least something somewhere in your brain it will be there. Likewise, whatever, what, let it be anything, you learn it and leave it. But what are the things needed, it will go to your mind and it will come whenever needed. Till next video, it's bye from your Prakasam sir.